This just in, we have breaking news from the Supreme Court in Washington, D.C. Chief Justice Warren E. Burger has come to a conclusion in the Regents versus the University of California v. Bok case. The constitutional issue in question was that the medical school's admission policy violated Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. Alan Bok, a 32-year-old man, sued the University of California, Davis after discovering that minority candidates with lower qualifications were admitted into the medical school. Bok was turned down twice by the university before he sued. We have Sawyer Jones reporting live from Washington, D.C. with the latest update.
That's right, Harrison. This case has been in and out of the courts for a while now, and today's decision was in favor of Alan Bok. While there was no single majority opinion, there were two decisions that were in favor of Bok. The first decision was a 5-4 decision that stated the Equal Protection Clause prohibited the university's specific race-based admission program, and Bok was then admitted. The second decision was an 8-1 decision that the Title IV of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 provides Bok a cause of action.
In the Regents of the University of California v. Bok case, the Supreme Court justices have come to a concurring and dissenting opinion. The concurring opinion said that the special admissions program violated Title VI because it excluded from the consideration of the applicant solely on the basis of race. The dissenting opinion stated that race could be used as a factor when it was for the purpose of the underrepresentation of certain minorities. Now we go back to Sawyer with the latest details.
We have just been informed that the petitioner involved in the case is the University of California, Davis, and the respondent was Alan Bake. Alan Bake, the University of California, Davis, and the admissions practices of the medical school of the University of California, Davis were involved in this case. The Supreme Court agreed that the university's use of strict racial quotas was unconstitutional and ordered that the medical school admit Bok. The court found that the University of California, Davis was guilty of violating both of the 14th Amendment and the Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This is Sawyer Jones reporting live from Washington, D.C. Back to you, Harrison.
Thank you, Sawyer, for the live update from D.C. I'm Harrison Fields, and we'll see you next time on NBC News.